In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and apply a PNG texture in Blender's Eevee renderer, ensuring the texture displays correctly with the appropriate transparency settings. Blender is a powerful tool that allows for intricate texture work, and mastering these steps can greatly enhance your 3D creations. So let's dive right in and get started. We'll begin by setting up the crucial nodes within Blender's shader editor. If you're familiar with this space, you'll know it often serves as a playground for material manipulation, providing the exact control needed for our task. The first step in this journey is adding an image texture node. To do this, navigate to the Add menu, then select Texture and subsequently Image Texture. However, if you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled, you can streamline this process by simply pressing Ctrl+T. This add-on is a fantastic tool that speeds up node-based workflows, and if you don't have it yet, I highly recommend giving it a try. Once the image texture node is added, it's time to bring in your specific PNG file. Click the Open button on this node and browse through your files to select the desired PNG. This action will link your texture directly into the shader setup we're building. Next, you will connect the nodes to the principled BSDF shader, which is Blender's versatile shader used for most surface textures. Firstly, connect the color output from the image texture node directly to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. This connection will import the color information from your PNG, ensuring it surfaces as intended on your model. Then, for transparency, you'll need to connect the alpha output of the image texture node to the alpha input of the principled BSDF shader. This step is crucial for handling how light interacts through the texture, especially in areas that should appear transparent. Now that the nodes are all set, we can focus on adjusting the material settings specifically for the Eevee renderer. Begin by selecting the 3D object you'd like to texture. In Blender's user interface, switch over to the Material Properties tab. Within this tab, look for the section labeled Settings. Here, the blend mode needs attention because it dictates how the material interprets transparency. Change the blend mode from opaque to either alpha blend or alpha clip. The choice here depends on the level of transparency detail you need. Alpha Clip is perfect for clean, sharp outlines in your transparency. In contrast, Alpha Blend works wonders for more nuanced and softer transparency effects, creating seamless blend between opaque and transparent surfaces. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully configured your texture with the shader editor and adjusted the material settings for rendering in Eevee. By understanding and applying these foundational concepts, you've unlocked new potential for your Blender projects. Keep exploring and practicing, and you'll continue to elevate your skills in no time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy blending.